Hey guys, Sandy here, and I am super excited to share with you my Cheeky Studio kit for the month of August. And as you can see, I have my favorite beverage in here with me, which is Coke Zero Sugar. We'll just move that right on out of there. Okay, so I got my kit, super excited. Is a little bit delayed this month. There was some sort of chemical spill, and that put the post office like behind. So something that should have taken like 3 days to get here took like 15. So, all right, yay, look, okay, it's the kit. So let us start with the big bag here and we'll see what we can see. So here is the kit. It is Notebook Nancy and it comes with these sketches. It also comes with this August vellum calendar, and that is printed on 8.5 by 11. You can see those pretty florals there. We have a sheet of basil cardstock. It's black op. We have a sheet of basil blossom. We have Amy Tangerine Shine On. This is Blooms. It's got this black and white floral and then this kind of graphy notebook type ledger paper. Then we have from We Are Memory Keepers. This is, what is this? Inked Rose Sentiment. So it has, looks like Spanish on this side and English on this side. I don't speak Spanish, so I will definitely be using that. We have this floral paper from Amy Tangerine Shine On. It's called Harmony. And then this black and white pattern on the background. And these florals actually look like a smaller version of this floral, and it just has some color on it. Then from our last paper from Amy Tangerine Shine On, it's the camera paper with Remember. And then this pattern on the back, which is this pattern in a color and tilted. So exciting, exciting stuff there. We have the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane sticker packet here. It's 210 stickers. We've got some black stickers, some gold stickers, some floral stickers. These are really pretty. Some flowers. And then, of course, hearts and stars. You can never have too many hearts and stars. Then we have Willow Lane stickers here in the alphabets in the green, pink, purple, and blue. So you can see that. And the colors go great. We have a little glassine baggie here that has I said has some embroidery floss on it. Some Baker's Twine / embroidery floss. I really don't know the difference. Like, why do we call it embroidery floss and Baker's Twine? Like, what makes it? Anyway, it's this mint and white there. We have Maggie Holmes Willow Lane thread bows. So those are super cute. Then the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane covered up, what they call them. Let's open these bad boys up because I'm not exactly sure what these are. Decorative fringe. So it looks like it's some crepe paper that has been sewn together to make a kind of fringe. Now we get to the exciting part of the kit. And that is the Cheeky Studio designed bits. So I am super, super excited to see what we've got on. These are exclusive to the Cheeky Studio Kit Club. We have You Can Totally Do This. You can do anything, but not everything. She has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. I love the person I've become because I fought to become her. I only drink champagne on 2 occasions, when I'm in love and when I'm not. Some women fear the fire, some women simply become it. Character, intelligence, strength, style, that makes beauty. Just a girl with a dream. Come quickly, I am tasting the stars. Darling, just own it. Here's to chasing your dreams and the cutest pair of shoes you own. And then here we have Notebook Nancy. And this is ephemera. And I'm going to put the black down so you guys, here, so you guys can see this a little bit better. So we have things like makeup and iPhones and tags and a chick, and scissors and a camera and another chick. We have hello, a donut on a plate and some florals, a Rubik's Cube, more of these gorgeous, gorgeous florals, some eyeglasses, more of those. Look at, the florals are probably my favorite part. Another little chick, a purse, another chick. Here is another chick on a tag. We have some notes, plan on it. This is tape, some more florals, another fun little chick. And then we have another notebook set. Ooh, sorry, ouch, that kind of hurt. A plain version of similar version of that. Stapler, lipstick, ouch. I gotta quit ramming my head into the camera. Do it for yourself. Some sunglasses, a cappuccino with decorative on it. Some more of these beautiful, beautiful flowers. We got another chickie, another phone, and then more of these flowers. And that is Notebook Nancy. All right, guys, if you are interested in this collection, or if you're interested in joining the Cheeky Studio Kit Club, please go ahead and hit up Cheeky Studio. You can find the link in the description down below. You can get 10% off your order if you use the code SANDY10. And be sure to stay tuned because I am going to be scrapbooking with this pretty much immediately, and we'll have some videos on my channel for you guys.